Hello, welcome to the first outlook of the week. I've posted a blog on October stats, October finish, so you can see all the trades, strike rate, they are, etc. And then there's a few just trades that we went over in the free outlook, so you can go check that out if you want. Starting off with Aussie Yen. Monthly chart, still very bearish, and we've had a pullback, so looking for a continuation really. Yes, we've swept these lows, so just looking for a turning point really to see if we can get on board the next leg down. There's no real clear levels, just looking for a turning point. We have this monthly, well, this is the support and resistance that we played last time. Could act as a target for potential trades to the downside. I have last month's high marked out. Just seeing if we could probably get a turning point there. So in the H1, we're about to take that almost. So we'll look for support and resistance around Monday's low. See if we can get a nice little level that would line up. So actually, we'll make this a little bit thicker. I'm not with it this morning. Anyway, you can see that. So this swing point, down and then up. So you can see it's a bullish trend, looking for the reversal of that. So anything, if we take out that previous month's high, get back below that level, Monday's low as well should act as resistance along with this level here in confluence. We should be able to trade that to the downside. So that is basically what I'm looking for on Aussie Yen. Mark out this low as well. So a break below this low, pull back, anything in here would be shorting and looking to play this to the downside. I hold to Friday, but be aware that there could be potential bounce at this level. So hopefully that's clear. Take off them dividers. Sorry, excuse me. Hopefully that's a bit clear to you. It's the same with New Zealand yen as well. If we clear this off, if we go to the monthly, it's a little bit cleaner than Aussie yen. So you can see the resistance here, support, and we're coming up into that support. We're also taking out the last month's high. So I do fancy Kiwi yen a little bit better than Aussie yen, but we'll see what one sets up the cleanest. So we also have this little sort of reversal candle. A lot of people get short at that, come up, take out the stops, and then the actual reversal. So we'll see how this sets up. Looking for levels of support and resistance in and around Monday's low. Can't really find a clear level. Just use Monday's low. See what happens if we get back below. So back below that, I would open a sell. These lows look nice for the taking as well. So this could be a bit of a runner if we can get it. Breaking market structure if we fall now. If we fail to make higher highs, if we fall now. Even if we do make higher highs and break below, that will give me a sign for weakness. So that is the two main plays, Aussie yen or Kiwi yen. I'll take which one ever sets up the cleanest. Hopefully New Zealand yen, to be fair, because we have that higher time frame level coming off the monthly and then a breakdown. So we'll see if we can get a breakdown. That would be quite nice for the week. So that's the two main things that I'm watching for the week. Aussie dollar, we'll see if we can get a reversal on that as well, but it's not as clean as the others. If we go to the monthly, don't know if you can see this, but support and resistance, we broke below. We're coming up to retest that as well. See if we can get trade to the downside. we have this swing high here, right at Monday's low as well. So confluence, break the low, potential sell off in that. Dollar CAD, let me just show you. We were bullish last week from this level, swing point, swing low, deviation, looking for a long there. See if we can get a continuation. You see this swing point here, we broke above it, retesting it as support. So this could be a turning point in dollar CAD. Mark out Monday's high. You can see that on Tuesday, early on Tuesday, it's acting as resistance. So a clean break above, a close above that would be a strong sign, and then we're going higher. So yeah, that's basically it for what I'm looking at. If anything adds up, though, I'll add it into tomorrow's, but it's best just to keep a few instruments nice and clear in your charts, a nice clear idea, and just wait for them to set up. So hopefully we have another good week. Last week was quite a nice week, if I do say so myself. Any questions, let me know in the comments below or whatever. If you want to DM me, email, I'm always about. And wishing you all the best then for this week, and I'll see you tomorrow.